Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. In this video, I'm going to create configuration manager console and then deploy to the workstations. So first of all, I'm going to create a package. Let's go to software library here and then click on packages. Click on create package. Let's call this configuration manager console. Check this box here. This package contains source files. I'm going to browse to the installation files. It's going to be on my local site server. So I'm going to choose local file, local folder on site server. And if you have the console set up somewhere else, you can put in the path here. Let's choose local. Click on browse. I'm going to browse to the folder where I have it installed under E drive configuration manager under bin and then x86. Oops, let's go back here. x86. I'm sorry, i386. So if I go there, I should see console setup. It's called console setup.exe. You want to make sure if you plan to put the console setup on a network share, you need to copy everything here. So copy the whole folder. So we got that. Click OK, click Next. Standard programs. Let's create a standard programs. I'm going to call this SCCM Console install. The exe. Let's browse to the exe. Console setup.exe. The command lines. I'm going to put space /q. Quiet. Target directory. I'm going to put it under target dir equals quote %sign programs. Program files. %sign. And then call it config mgr console. You can put it anywhere you want. So I'm just going to put it there. So it's program files, config mgr console, space. It's going to be, I'm going to define the site server. It's going to call the default site server name equals. I'm going to put in a quote, and this is the full qualified name of your site server. My case is SCCM. Domain is 30365, not 00365.local. All right. Actually, I don't need a quote here. So it should look something like this. You can also look at the Microsoft website. Um, it shows you here how to set up the configuration manager console setup. And here's all the command line. So this is what I have, default site servers, name. Let's go back here. So run as normal. Program run, whether or not users log on. Click next. We change this to 30 minutes. Everything else should be fine. Let's go back. I think I forgot to check something. So it's going to be run as administrator rights. Okay, click next, next again, and next. I'm going to distribute the contents. Distribute contents. Next, choose the DP. Okay, next, next again. Close. Now I'm going to deploy. Right click and then deploy. I'm going to make it available to all system in my environment, so that way I can just install it from Software Center. Click next, next again. Make sure you say available, otherwise it's going to deploy to all systems. Click next, next again, next, and next. Deploy options here. Choose download contents. I check this box. I want to make sure my client can get the contents. Next, and next again. Hit close. Now let's go to one of my workstations. I'm going to force the policy retrieval. So to access the policy retrieval, you just have to go to Configuration Manager in the control panel, click on Actions and Machine Policy Retrieval, click Run. And if I go Software Center, it should take about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to pause the recording and we'll come back and go to Software Center. All right, now let's go to Software Center. Let's refresh the screen. All right, so here it is, my Configuration Manager console. I'm going to click on Install, and that should install in less than 5 minutes. All right, now let's go to Control Panel. Here is the SCCM Console. Refresh again. And let's open it up. Config. All right, so here it is. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.